Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Today this will be maybe a bit curious choice, but we will take a look at the New Zealand dollar, mostly because I just, as I opened the MetaTrader today, I have seen this setup that we have. This is the just tactical short-term setup, but it's almost ready for trading. That's why this is the signal by the Napoli pattern on the New Zealand dollar, and I have decided today to provide you this setup, just because here we need nothing more, just to wait when this pattern will be confirmed, and after that we could trade this setup. Maybe it will be even finished during today's session. We will see. This is just a very short-term scenario. It's not something extended in time, so we do not need really some long-term analysis for that. This is just a setup that's almost in place. That's why today we just will take this fast look in the New Zealand dollar. On the other currencies, guys, on the euro currency, you'll see that changes are coming gradually. So market has broken the tendency that we have discussed. I will even show you the euro currency. So here is our tendency. You can see that market has broken it. It's turned to the upside and doubled this upward action. In fact, here we need just to wait when we will get the pattern. It's a reversal pattern that will trigger the upward retracement here. By the first look, guys, here is most recognizable right now as the possible head and shoulders. It's probably you also see this could become left shoulder, head. Now we could wait for a right shoulder. So that's why today I have decided not to discuss euro currency with the details, since we still have one day in reserve just to let market to complete this pattern. If tomorrow morning we will come and the market will be somewhere in the bottom of the shoulder, that will be our moment. Although this will happen on the just at the eve of the non-farm payrolls release, the pattern will be fully in place, and tomorrow we still will have time to discuss this opportunity for trading. The same on Australian dollar. As you can see, Australian dollar market stands on retracement. It has broken the confidence support that we have discussed yesterday, but it still stands above our major invalidation point, the 618 support and the weekly pivot point. So that's why the stop that we have in Australian dollar is still valid, and this led us to talk on the New Zealand dollar. So now let's go directly to the Kiwi. What we have here, market shows the upward action. Actually, here is some kind of the wedge pattern was forming. Market has broken it to the upside. Right now it stands at the strong resistance. So this is approximately 68.20 area. It's major fib level. Monthly pivot point. This is the June pivot point that has been tested for the first time. And also, guys, this natural support resistance there is a resistance. This was the support, this lower bottom of this consolidations. Market stands, breakout, again resistance. Now it's again resistance. So, and market right now turns to the reasonable bounce down. Particularly this bounce we intend to use for trading. If you will drop your time frame to the 4-hour time frame chart, you'll see that we have very good, perfect setup for a possible Napoli Brent battle double repo pattern. So thrust up in place. First close below the 3x3, mostly also in place. Although this is the 4-hour time frame chart, well, we just need to wait for it. So guys, here is very simple task for us. We should wait for closing of the below the 3x3, depending how it will happen. So for example, if market will close below, we will continue move lower and hit this support area. This is broken weekly pivot resistance one, and take a look. 3 support, 67.75 approximately. So market should reach this level within the 3 closes below the 3x3. This could be 2 closes or maybe 3, but market should reach it. If this will happen, That will be the brand body setup. In this case, we should watch here for possible bullish patterns. So you need to drop your time frame to the 15-minute chart and see whether you will have here some bullish patterns, for example, butterflies or something of that sort. And this will be opportunity for taking the long position. In this case, our target will be 618 resistance of the whole downward action. So approximately, this will be maybe somewhere around 68 probably. This will be the target of this brand body trade. So be not really a small move. For approximately the 50 pips target. Or if market will form the double repo pattern, so in this case market should not reach this level, it should close below the 3x3, then close above. If we will get the new top, this will be even better, and then close below again. On the second close below, this will be the signal for taking the short position. In this case, this will be a sell signal, and the market should reach as far as lower target. So this will be probably around 67.60, somewhere in this area. 50% support of this thrusting action. So that's what we will be watching for in the New Zealand dollar, because it's probably some setup will be formed. We just need to wait what particular setup will be formed. Taking into consideration the speed of this drop, it's probably the brand body has better chances to appear. Another important moment, guys, if you will get the just drop, very strong drop right to this area with this single candle, wait for a deeper level. So as a rule, if the brand body is forming, market shows very fast and significant drop at the first candle, usually it means that the brand body could start not from the first fib level, but you need to wait either 50% support or even 618. Sometimes it happens from the 618, but more probable will be 50. So wait just for another candle to just when this thrusting down will come down a bit. That will be just one adjustment to overall situation. So that's been said, currently on the New Zealand dollar we have potentially very nice setup. We need just to wait and see what particular pattern will be formed. Either brand body that will push us to taking the long position, or double repo sell. If the double repo sell will be formed, in this case we will have to take the short with the anticipation of the possible deeper retracement. So now let's keep watching and see what we will get.